Hello, guys. We're playing an episode of Watch Dogs. By the way, this is my first video. I just made my account. It was kind of hard to get set up. I didn't know how to change. Oh, jeez, that was awesome. I didn't know how to change my account name because it just said Kin Ron. I was like, no, I don't want a name. I was like wondering how like Tobuscus and Jacksepticeye, how they made their game, and then I figured it out, and then I made Cool Gamer. So she would be really nice. I know I'm only just a kid. I'm a 9, but can you please give me as much as support? I would really appreciate that, guys. Even though you aren't, if you don't, all of you are still awesome, guys. All of you out there. Guys, don't think I'm doing it just to be like, ah, I'm gonna do it for him. Because, no, everyone's awesome. And this is not just because I want you to like or subscribe. So yeah, let's get on with the video. But still, I would like as much support because this is my first video. Oh jeez, that was a weird glitch. Anyways.
That's it. I'm going to do it.
Seriously? Oh man.
I'm going to tell him how I feel. He needs to know. I just need to tell him the truth.
Whatever happens, I'm here for you, buddy. I mean it.
I'll do it this week.
Shut up, you brat! Get up there! I'm gonna give you. No, I'm gonna cop some. Try call the cops on me? I dare you. Nope! Blocked your phone, bitch. Oh! Now, camera. What will you do for me? Amateur magician. Lady? Did you see that? She was like sitting on. I can't sit because, well, I can only sit down. But she was like sitting on air. What was that? Do people do that now? Or in America? In Chicago? I want to go to Las Vegas. That's what I want to do. Yep, this is my card, right? I was gonna make a video. I wish I knew how to make a channel sooner because I finished the game already. And I haven't done any gang hangouts at all, so. Oh, geez, there's a mission zone? What? No.